On SiteGround, under website CodeRix project, click on create CodeRix project now. And here we will build a website for dog trainer. So prompt is the most important thing, where you have to explain what exactly is needed. If you give a very generic prompt, the output is going to be generic. Now I am pasting the prompt. I have already worked on a prompt. In case you want this prompt, just click on the link below and you will be able to find the prompt. Pasted the code. So here you can see, let me go on top, build a premium one-page website for pet trainer, animal behaviorist. Now the hero section, what all it will have, that is given full width, high quality image of happy pet with trainer, and headline, happy pets, happy owners, professional training and behavior guidance. Short supporting text explaining benefit, improved pet behavior, bond building, stress-free training. So you can look at the entire prompt. It will have a booking session. It will have a join our community. Then the hero page will be clearly visible and visually appealing, not hidden behind overlays. And then about section, it will have about the trainer, qualification, experience, philosophy, build trust and credibility. And then it will also have the service and pricing section, where the session price will be shown. So all this input will guide the website to come to life. You can edit, you can make your own. So the idea is that you give all the right input that is needed for the website. Here, training process section, all those things have been given. And then community section, invite visitor to a private Facebook group or online community for pet owners. And then mention tip, live question answers and support. Contact section will have a contact form, send button and the confirmation message. No plain email links. And then what is the design requirement? Premium look, minimum soft, professional, calming colors, mobile first, fast loading, clean typography, include at least hero and 2 supporting image, pet, trainer or abstract pet friendly. Then image must be rendered visibly on first generation. No unnecessary feature, keep layout clean and focused. Then constraint is also given, do not remove any section, do not rewrite text unnecessarily, only enhance visual image and design style. Hero and supporting image are required, no placeholder that fail to render. So once this is given, it's time to go next. So once I click here, now you see activating and the work is in progress. Database will automatically generate once your project need. Everything will be understood on its own, except the prompt. I'm doing nothing, just few course correction we may have to do, and we will see that part. So once you click here on the usage part, you will be able to see the credit usage, what you had and how much you have used. That can be seen by coming here. And this is the database. As I said, only when it is required, this will get activated. Otherwise, it won't. Then here it says, I'll create a premium one-page website for the pet trainer, and also list what all will be there in the website. See, based on the prompt, the website demo has been generated, and this is the current version. Here, this is the website version, hide chat. So this is the website version. And when I click here, this is the mobile preview mode. So you can see here, this has an image of the pet, and then happy pets, happy owners, text is given, book a session. Right now, the links will have to be added to this. We're just looking at the look and feel of the website. Looks good. And here you see, meet your trainer, what experience the trainer has. All these things, if you want to edit and make your own input, you can do that. Service and pricing, private training, group training, online consultation, looks good. And then our training process, which we had given as an input, that is given, philosophy is given, join our pet parent community. So you see, everything is done for you. And in case, let me click here on the preview. This is how the website will look. I like this, what has been created, and it took no time. Anything you want to change, adjust any color, add more interactive element, refine a specific section, you can just use the prompt here, and that prompt will do those necessary changes. So once you have what is required for the website and you have reviewed everything, you just go and publish this part. Once this is done, you will have option to add links. You see here, these are the buttons which you'll have to connect link to book a session. So basically, you'll integrate this, bring the link on the book a session, where when somebody goes to book, the calendar shows up and your payment gets collected. So you'll have to do a third-party integration for that. For example, Stripe. You can check out my video on Stripe, how you can customize everything, including invoice. And then when somebody books, they will automatically get that. Join our community, basically a Facebook group. So you'll have to add your Facebook group link here. So when someone clicks, they join the community and be a participant there. So you saw how simple this was to build this website. Hopefully this was of help to you, and thanks for watching.